Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we're going to work now. When I left the house it was 5:33. Yeah, it is like this today. You don't see the horizon. Full of clouds at the moment. The sun is supposed to be rising on that side, but we don't see it. Anyway, yeah, you know that I'm using that GoPro Hero 9, and I keep on saying that the only reason why I bought this camera is because of the horizon leveling. I mean, if I move the camera like this, not inclined, not slant, but plain. I don't know what to say. Yeah, it's like that. Away we go. And we are now here. Actually, the sun shows, as you can see in there. My bike is going to fill up. Yeah, so the sun is rising on that side, and it's really beautiful. It looks like the sky is covered with the clouds, but yeah, it's just too early, I think. Yeah. And again, about this GoPro Hero 9, I am using it at the moment without any accessories. This just with the normal built-in microphone. I don't know if the sound, I mean, if it is capturing the wind noise. It is not windy at the moment, but yeah, I will be using this camera without any microphone accessories until my GoPro Media Mode arrives, and it's going to arrive next week. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Yeah, today I finished at 2:30. Yeah, today we finished at 2:30. All of us, all the three guys that are working in breakfast. Yeah, we finished at 2:30 because one guy is absent. So yeah, we helped the closing guy to do some of their mise en place. Oh, we're going to stay here again for a little bit. Yeah, if you remember yesterday I was here. Oh nice, there are many people down there. Oh, okay, we better go because there is like a family staying in there, and they are having fun.
Melbourne, raise 8, number 2. $6. Every dollar.
Okay, we are here again, and I don't know if the bird is going to attack me again. Yeah, let's see if the bird is going to attack me here again. Yeah, that bird. It's not magpie. We are now here in the town center. Yeah, I can see there are many people this time. Yeah, when I arrived this afternoon around 2:30 or 3 o'clock, yeah, I take a rest, sit on my computer, and had a coffee. And now I am hungry. I'm going to have this eggplant, and I'm just going to fry it and yeah, add some egg. mistake. Not good, but it's alright. And finally I have this. Yeah, this is coming from Mr. Mike. Yeah, he come here in Nelson Bay. We meet and he gave me this rice scooper. If you notice in my video, I don't have any rice scooper in here. I'm always using the spoon, the normal spoon. And this one is really, really good to use. Wow, look at this. Yeah, you can take so much rice, go dig deep in there and really take the rice. Yeah, really nice. Amazing. I'm very happy with this rice scooper. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Mike. And it actually stands like this. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, at the moment, yeah, we are here. We're just going to observe the sunrise. It shows already, it's up there already. We are late, but we're still going to see it nicely. Nice. And Mario is also here watching the sunset. Say hi to Mario. Hello, Mario. Do you enjoy the sun? Are you enjoying the sunset? Sunrise. It is low tide at the moment. As you can see, the water is a little far, not from the normal. Yeah, usually it's up there. Yeah, nice. People are starting to come, having their dog like them. Really nice. And yeah, on that side there are some people. They are going to do some kind of kayaking, boating. Yeah, because it's really good looking this time. I mean, it's not wavy, so it feels safe and comfortable to kayak.
That looks quite a bike you've got there.
Yeah, it's electric bike.
Yeah, looks very good.
It's very good. Nice. Whenever there are people asking me about the bike, yeah, I'm happy and I'm always proud. I'm always proud to share my experience with that bike. Yeah, like when I travel with that, go from here all the way to Brisbane, was good to share. I'm very proud of it. And the sand, it is starting to get the footprints. A while ago I was the first here, there's none. Most of the people that are walking this early are having their dog. Even those couple, they have 2 dogs. And then this guy. I need somebody to be, somebody to love, somebody to eat, somebody to love. If you come here in Port Stephen, in the Bay Area, yeah, it's really good to experience to walk all the way to Pingle Bay. It's a very long walk, but scenery is amazing. Yeah, not all of them is in the coastal area, in the coastline. Yeah, some would be inside the bush, but it's really a good walk. Yeah, you're going to reach all the way to that last mountain. Yeah, and then you can go all the way through the that houses in there. That is the Soldier's Point. And at the moment you notice that there are many like a dead leaves coming from under the water. This maybe is the reason why there is not so much people swimming in here. So most of the people that I'm seeing here, they're just walking in here. but not for swimming. Every moment I spend with you, every moment I treasure. I don't wanna close my eyes, closely, cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Oh, we're just going to have we're going to try that what do you call that? I forgot, but we call that baras. Let's see how much I can do with this. I can do it, but I don't want to force myself because it is going to be a pain after maybe tomorrow. Sure, it is going to be painful. Yeah, usually it's like that. When you work out for the very first time, the day after, for sure you're going to feel the pain. And then if you work out again the day after, and it is going to be just feeling good. Yeah, that is how it works. Okay, that's it. We are going now. I actually locked my bike here because I went a little far from this place. Okay, we have been driving and we are now here in Soldier's Point. Not exactly, but Salamander area. And this is already a little far from my workplace and from the house. Yeah. And this is how it is in here. Yeah, it's called Bob Cairns Reserve. Good morning. Oh, nice. His electric bike is like homemade. Amazing. From time to time I come to this place because you know, sometimes there are some changes that is happening around. Like along the way where I came from, they already put a bike lane, which is nice. Before there was no bike lane, it was grass. And we are now in the town center of Salamander Bay. Yeah, Salamander has two town center. This is the first one. Like this, the old one. Because if you go in there, there is a grocery and yeah, some shop, restaurant. And yeah, from the one that is near to my workplace is the shopping center, the modern one, like a mall, shopping mall. And there are some modern apartment in here, and the beach area is just at the back of these houses. That you let me in. Okay, we are back here. It is going down. Beautiful, right? And I am holding on my brake. And nothing to lose. Yeah, we did walk that already before, maybe yeah, 5 or 1 year already. I forgot, but yeah, we did walk that place already. Oh, we're just going to have a quick look here. It's Port Stephen Great Lakes Marine Park. This is my very first time to come closer in here. Yeah, there's some kind of this tree. We called it bakawan. What do you call that in English? And the water is really clean. Everywhere here in Australia is beautiful. Wherever you look, wherever you go, whatever you see are sure to be beautiful. Properly taken care of. Oh, there's one guy that arrives. Maybe he's going to fish, or maybe that guy is planning to put my bike on his car and he still live. I hope not. Of course not. People here are nice. They don't steal. Don't know which way to go. Look at this. Yeah. Can you swim there? Actually, only in this area. But if you go to that side, it's clean looking. Maybe because of there is something like a gravity for the dirt in this area. Oh, the guy is going to do some kayaking. Yeah, he's wearing now the life vest, and he's carrying his kayak. Your hand, I would feel tomorrow. And now many people are coming. Yeah, their husband and wife with their dog. Oh, this guy is coming from the Salamander Bay recycling. Yeah, in Salamander Bay recycling, they are selling different stuff, recycled, to become the meaning of my life. And we are now back in my usual way. We are going home now.